for air conditioning services in Missouri City, Stafford, or Sugar Land? GMP Mechanical has been providing quality air conditioning services to Missouri City, Stafford, and Sugar Land residents since 2010. We proudly acquire an A+ certification from the Better Business Bureau for our professionalism and customer care in 2015, and we have hundreds of 5-star reviews in Google, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and more. Contact us today to schedule a no-obligation consultation at 713-351-9720. GMP Mechanical is your one-stop shop for all your commercial or residential air conditioning needs. 713-351-9720.